So maybe a new user has entered in via a program. Maybe they've entered to just to have a look at their property profile and what they can do. And so there is the programs page that they may have entered into, but then they can explore the rest of the portal by going to My Home as a starting point. So on My Home, there's always a picture of their property as per Google Street View. Unfortunately, this one is mostly obscured by a tree, but the user can still recognize that this is their property or around their property. So it gives that sense of sort of personal connection with it. They're also given a property score. This is based on the data that we know about their property. So our database has been built up of both the EPC register, incident sunlight data, NASA data about volume of the property, and in order to create a profile of that property and give it a score. And it's scored against three elements, so amount of energy usage, structure, and carbon emissions. And there's more explanation about how the score has been put together here. You can also explore potential improvements, which I'll do in a minute. You can go and continue to complete your profile, so profile is not complete. You can see your EPC score at the moment and potential EPC score. And you can also unlock energy monitoring. So if you want to connect to your smart meter and provide us with more data, you can do that as well. So if I go and explore improvements, you're then able to see all improvements that are available. If you go onto program, these are the ones that are being offered on a program. And so because we're already part of that program, we wouldn't necessarily be looking at those improvements. But others we may want to dive into and look at, okay, what sort of things in addition are recommended? These are all bespoke to your home based on our algorithms. So I could be going into solar panels and seeing, okay, what's the estimated spend based on the size of my roof? What's the estimated savings? And if I want to, I can go straight through and get estimates from suppliers. I can look at benefits and considerations, any grants and financing that might be available to me, so private finance providers as well as grants, what to expect during installation. I can also, as was being alluded to, continue my profile. So I can carry on and make edits to the profile to make it more accurate, any information that we are unaware of. So, for instance, roof direction. You can go through and edit roof material, external wall material, etc. A lot of this information will automatically be included within the profile, or you can go here and do this as well. So you go to my home profile here, you can see the location, the roof. There's an estimated roof area. I can add in roof material. I can add in construction. So you can see these are. This is showing the knowledge in terms of what has been pulled and what is what we do know about the property. But any edits can be added here all the way through to kind of utilities, what type of supply, so heating as well, any particular heating type, what temperature do you keep the house at. All of this helps us to improve our information about the property and improve the profiling of the property so that the estimates that we're providing are more and more accurate.